Hello, and welcome to How to Grow Bergamot from Seed. The first step is to buy some seeds. I bought mine from a local gardening store. On the reverse of the packet is shown the growing times and growing conditions for your region. Step 2. Fill a propagator tray with compost. A propagator tray is a small shallow tray with a transparent plastic lid which is ideal for germinating seeds. Fill the tray with compost to just below the rim and then press down gently to remove any air pockets. Give the compost a good watering. We're doing this now to save washing away the seeds when they've been planted. Step 3. Place the seeds onto the surface of the compost. The seeds are very small, so try and sprinkle them as evenly as possible across the surface of the compost. Next, cover the seeds with a thin layer of compost and press down gently to remove any air pockets. Finally, fit a label and then fit the transparent plastic lid. This helps retain heat and moisture. Step 4. After the seeds have germinated and they have at least 2 sets of leaves, it's time to transplant them into pots. First fill a pot with compost and then water it. Now using a stick, make a hole in the centre of the compost. Water the seedlings before transplanting into pots. As you can see here, my germination rate was a little bit disappointing. Hold a seedling by its leaf and not its stem, and try and remove as much root as possible. Place the root in the hole in the compost in the pot and then gently press down. If necessary, top up the level of the compost with a little extra. Finally, water the seedling to get the compost around the roots. Step 5. Keep the seedlings in a warm, bright place, but not in direct sunlight. Keep checking and water if necessary. Step 6. When the danger of any frosts has passed, it's time to plant outside. First give the plants a good watering. Loosen the soil and remove any weeds or any stones. Next, dig a small hole with a trowel. Carefully remove the plant from its pot and plant in the hole that you've just made. Gently press soil around the roots. Finally, give the plant a good watering. Step 7. Keep the plants watered and weed free, and they'll gradually get taller and bush out. Step 8. The plants will die off over winter, and then new shoots will begin to appear in the spring. Step 9. In early summer, flowers will begin to appear. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it informative. Please like it if you have. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and visit my gardening website. Thank you and goodbye.